Hello there, beautiful one. I am Faith Hunter, author and global wellness expert with over 20 plus years of experience sharing well being approaches to elevate your lifestyle, your healing, liberation, self care, and love. Today, I'm going to guide you through the potent energy of the new moon in Scorpio happening on November 1, 2024 at 7:46 a.m. Central Time. This new moon, like all new moons, but this one specifically, is marked as a transformative time. A moment to dive into our inner waters, explore the depths of our soul, and embrace the mystical powers that we harness within. In this video, I will share some astrological insights. I'll guide you through some intention setting, and I will also offer a beautiful guided meditation to harness this energy. All right, if you're ready, let's jump into the magic and mystery of Scorpio's transformative waters. Scorpio. This energy is intense, it is passionate, and it is profoundly healing. As the ruler of the subconscious, Scorpio invites us to explore our shadow, confront our deepest fears, and uncover hidden desires. This new moon in Scorpio comes with a powerful mix of emotions, from dark to mysterious to illuminating and freeing. Scorpio's ruler, Pluto, is the planet of transformation, of rebirth, and power. And it is encouraging us to let go of the old and make space for a new vision for ourselves. The thing I love about this lunar phase is that it is like a powerful, boom, reset. I encourage you to plunge in, tap into the reservoir of your strength and the courage that lies within you. If you have been yearning a shift, I know I have, or desiring some kind of change, check on that one. In any area of your life, this is your moment. Use the energy of this new moon to align with your true intentions and release what no longer serves your highest purpose. Now, let's talk about 3 things that you should consider energetically. Number 1 is emotional alchemy. Now, you're probably wondering what's that? Here's the deal. Scorpio energy can stir up some old emotions and fears or wounds we've actually buried deep within, or we've tucked away deep within. Rather than resisting these feelings, allow them to rise and bubble to the top. You can handle it, trust me. And this new moon is offering an opportunity for emotional alchemy, transforming our pain into wisdom, fear into power. Give yourself permission to feel it, then transmute those emotions into healing and empowerment. Number 2, honesty and vulnerability. Under Scorpio's influence, secrets and hidden truths may come to light. Keep an eye out for that. This is a time to be radically honest with yourself. Reflect on areas where you've held back or you've tucked yourself away and you haven't revealed your true feelings. Vulnerability is your superpower, and through it, you can cultivate deeper connections with yourself as well as with others. All right. Number 3, rebirth and renewal. Scorpio is the sign of death and rebirth, urging us to release old patterns, habits, and mindset. Consider what you need to let go of so that you can create space for new beginnings. Use this new moon to plant some powerful seeds, set some amazing intentions. But all of those seeds and intentions must align with your highest vision of your life. Okay, let's dive into setting some intentions. So here are some prompts for you. Like any other new moon, this is the perfect time to set some intentions and create a little shift in your life. But I want you to ask yourself, what parts of your life do you actually need to transform? What desires have you kept hidden out of fear or self-doubt? It's okay. I'm with you on this. During this new moon phase, I want you to write down your intentions and speak them out loud as if they are already happening. Light a candle, use a crystal like a smoky quartz, and create a sacred space to plant these seeds. Basically, create an intention-setting ritual for yourself. Scorpio's energy is magnetic and intense, so why not use this opportunity to amplify the seeds that you are planting? Be specific with your intentions, and also be open to the unknown. Trust that by aligning with Scorpio's mysterious energy, you will attract experiences and opportunities that are in alignment with your highest good. All right, let's begin to move into our guided meditation. As we slowly drop into this meditation, I definitely want you to get comfortable. So know that you can sit on the floor, in a chair, or simply recline on your back. Know that you can close your eyes or gently cast them down. Do whatever feels most comfortable for you. And I want you to breathe in through your nose, exhale out of your mouth. Do that a few more times, just simply breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you do that, feel your body starting to drift into a place of relaxation and calm. Feel it soften a little. With each inhale, imagine the breath of this Scorpio new moon carrying in a magnetism, a healing essence. And as you exhale, you're releasing anything that feels heavy or no longer serves you, no longer serves your soul. Seal your lips and allow the breath to flow in and out of your nose, and start to visualize yourself standing at the edge of a serene, dark lake. Under the night sky, the moon is hidden. There is a black void, but the heavens are reflecting its light on the lake. You start to step forward, feeling a coolness as the water starts to rise around your ankles, your knees, and even your waist. With each step into the water, you feel a wave of calm wash over you. The water holding and supporting you. Now, you gently start to lower yourself into the water, becoming completely submerged. The water is inviting and cradling you in its depths. This is the space of Scorpio, deep, dark, and healing. In this underwater sanctuary, you notice a glimmering light far beneath, far below your feet. It's a glowing orb pulsating with the energy of transformation. Slowly, you start to swim into the depths towards that light, feeling the power radiating from its core. As you reach out to touch it, a wave of warmth touches your body. This light carries the essence of your intentions, the energy of rebirth, and the power of your inner strength. As you embrace this light, visualize it filling your heart, radiating your entire body, and infusing each cell with energy, transformation, and renewal. Let this light wash away your fears, your limiting beliefs, and your emotional blockages. Know that you are now embodying the energy of Scorpio, the energy of passion, courage, and deep inner wisdom. Breathe in deeply, feeling this light within you, and as you exhale, anchoring this newfound power into every fiber of your being. I want you to take a moment to express gratitude for this experience, for your willingness to dive deep, and for the magic of this new moon in Scorpio. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the present moment. Feel your body resting on the surface beneath you. Hear the sounds around you and gently move in your own organic way. Slowly open the eyes, and as you do so, bring the energy of this meditation along with you. I want you to remember that the new moon in Scorpio is your powerful invitation to journey within the soul. It is a time to shed the old skin, face the shadows, and emerge renewed. Whatever intentions you set today, trust that they are being nurtured in the rich soil of your inner world. Give yourself grace as you navigate this energy, and know that you are infinitely supported by the universe. If you're feeling inspired to explore more healing and well-being experiences like this guided meditation, be sure to check out my Spiritually Fly app for deep dive workshops and daily practices in the form of meditation, yoga, journaling, breath work, and so much more. Plus, my personalized community support. And of course, be sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe for more well-being and lifestyle content. Continue to embody the wisdom and power within you, and stay spiritually fly. Ciao.